to welcome all of you to the Los Angeles International Airport. The local time here is 3.
Hi, this is my stay at the Garland. This is a suite 368 and it's amazing. So I'll just quickly show you. This is one of the bedrooms with a TV. And then this is the main room. This is after my sleep. And it's so spacious. I got upgraded this. There's a balcony which you can go out. Another TV. And a nice lavatory as well. An amazing shower. Like, I've never had that kind of pressure. It was bizarre. It was like circulation water. Oh, so good. Anyway, this has been my stay at the Garland. I highly recommend it. It's in North Hollywood. If you're definitely staying in visiting North Hollywood or Universal area, stay here. I highly recommend it. It used to be owned by Beverly Garland as well, which is why it's called the Garland Hotel. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel, MJT Global. Go to mjtglobal.com as well for all travel information. Until next time, bye-bye.